So this is the Canon PowerShot V1, and I really like this camera for making YouTube videos, except for one thing. I need to change the battery. Every time I want to change the battery or swap out the SD card, I have to take the tripod base plate off. There's no getting around it. And over the course of filming for an entire day, it can become quite a pain in the butt. Just look how close the door is to the thread. Unless, I think I can fix this. So here's what I've come up with. Right now, this door needs to open and there's really not much room there. What if I were to take a piece of aluminum and drill a hole right at the very edge there that I could run a screw through and then tap that so that I could put the base plate just off-centered slightly. This is enough for me to get at the battery and the SD card, and I don't have to take this off. So I've got this piece of 1/4-inch aluminum. I'm gonna actually cut this thing in half, and then we'll cut it to an appropriate length, drill a hole for that, a through hole, and then we'll tap it right here. And as long as I use screws that are the right length, and I could even recess this hole right here down a little bit so that we could have our base plate right there, still pretty much right underneath the lens, but it'll open enough to let us access our battery and our SD card. If we come here like this, we'll make this about that long. .096, we're shooting for 0.91. It's pretty much there. Let's see what it looks like on the camera. right, the moment of truth. Ground down a little stainless steel 1/4-20. It's pretty good there. Well, it's not the most beautiful thing ever, but it solves my problem. Should paint it black or something, maybe. Or leave it. Well, they may not look the most amazing, but I'm super excited about that. Such a simple solution. There's absolutely not a lot going on here. Why sometimes you get this mental block and you just don't think of this? Look at this. Boom. Here, check this out. If I don't want to move the shot, if my battery dies but I want to keep the exact same camera position, very careful, I can swap batteries without taking the camera off of the tripod. That may not seem like a big deal, but to me, that is a huge deal. Why didn't I think of that sooner? I would have been using this camera for so many more things. And I know I'm kind of blessed and fortunate in that I have all these tools. I had scrap aluminum laying around, but I want to train my mind to think more like this. Like, I have a problem. I understand that just to the form factor, they can't make everything accessible necessarily. And I love the camera, but what can I do? What kind of a little tiny modification or bracket or something that I can make this more usable and just fit my workflow better? So this can stay on here now for months. And I never travel with this camera really, so the size or the bulk of this solution doesn't bother me. But I am really, really excited about this. Something so simple, but it's gonna make a huge difference in my workflow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it inspire you to look at the problems and just say, okay, what can I do with this right now? Like, what could I make to fix this with what I have? I guess maybe there is some type of aftermarket product. I actually didn't even look at that, but for about 40 minutes of drilling and cutting, I've got myself a solution that is going to save me hours of frustration. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Also, this whole thing was filmed on my iPhone. I'm curious what that's going to look like.